Advanced Life Healing Multi-Berry Juice combines a variety of berries, each with its own unique benefits. Here are some potential benefits of consuming Advanced Life Healing Multi-Berry Juice. Superior antioxidant power. Multi-berry juice harnesses the antioxidant properties of multiple berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries. This combination provides a potent dose of antioxidants, which can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body and protect against oxidative stress. Immune system support. The blend of berries in multi-berry juice is rich in immune-boosting nutrients, including vitamin C and other essential vitamins and minerals. These nutrients help strengthen the immune system, promoting overall health and reducing the risk of infections and illnesses. Anti-inflammatory effects. Many berries, such as strawberries and raspberries, contain natural compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of Advanced Life Healing Multi-Berry Juice may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic conditions like heart disease, arthritis, and certain types of cancer. Cardiovascular health. Berries are known for their potential cardiovascular benefits. The combination of berries in Advanced Life Healing Multi-Berry Juice offers a range of heart-healthy nutrients, such as flavonoids, anthocyanins, and fiber. These compounds may help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, improve blood vessel function, and promote overall cardiovascular well-being. Digestive wellness. The fiber content in Advanced Life Healing Multi-Berry Juice supports healthy digestion. Fiber aids in regulating bowel movements, preventing constipation, and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. By supporting digestive health, this juice can contribute to overall wellness and nutrient absorption. Brain function and mental clarity. Berries contain antioxidants and phytochemicals that have been linked to improved brain function and cognitive health. Advanced Life Healing Multi-Berry Juice may provide a nourishing blend of these beneficial compounds, potentially enhancing memory, focus, and overall mental clarity. Skin radiance. The antioxidants found in berries are beneficial for maintaining healthy skin. Regular consumption of multi-berry juice can help protect the skin from oxidative damage, promote a youthful complexion, and contribute to a natural glow.